Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Meyiwa. You know, Ubalo, you guys, has tried so many tactics to crack accused number one. And in Naimanja accused number one, my contradictions, because then, which means, you know, nominees, they didn't speak properly. You go on alone to the you know what? This is what you must say. This is we must say the same things, because now the questions that Umnisi had asked Utginend are not the same. Just as much as guys, as South Africans, we all know what at the end of the day, Ike Senzo Meyiwa is hogwash, right? But they need to be clear about their staff in defense. Umnisi naye akasas. That's why he stands up quickly. No, Imancan. That's not how it's supposed to be. And now Umnisi is coming off as someone OT. Listen, Nabaloy. Who accused number one? Gegas akwazi ukuyibeka izinto like how I had put them mina ku Brigadier Ngelinda uyayibona le nto le. So nje it's all over the place manje le nto yabo. Basically there are evidences sengisho Umnisi ke no accused number one umuzi kawukhulelwa sibe. Into zabo ziyaclasha yabona, because then which means they didn't speak properly bahlale kahle ba kuba manje even naye kodwa usibi this way he says hi uMngomezulu, if he wanted to put it like that to late uMngomezulu, then this is how I'm saying it. Guys, now we are not winning. And uke washo Umnisi beginning of the week na last week ukuthi wena uyasidlisa manje yabo if uzokhuluma kanjalo kwahleke God. And what's crazy is that accused number one is getting irritable now and then. Ngayisho leyo nto ku trial within a trial, and I can't repeat it now la ku main trial. And my thing is that because then obviously nobalo ufuna ukuthi athi yabona that's not what you said. Trial within a trial. Now you're changing stories. But guys, what Umnisi is trying to say is that it's the same story, just asibekwa ngendlela efanayo. And obviously yena as a person and yena and uLethi Mngomezulu will never put it like how Umnisi is putting it. So it looks like manje even to that it's like, oh, khona nama contradictions. Yeah, there's something that's not making sure. And nakhona guys, we're gonna be repeating in local guys again. Didn't we explain it properly? The thing, even no Mcholo was very much involved in it, very, very much involved in it. Angazi usubale ufuna in, guys. Like we are repeating ourselves. And on Sunday, guys, uSenzo Meyiwa uzoqeda exactly 11 years engakwazi ukuthola justice South Africa. Babhizi ngeyigebengu eMadlanga nase ad hoc instead of helping the Meyiwas. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo? How much money has been used in that cause? Quite 3 point something at some stage. Sisaqhubeka siyabuya futhi Monday after 11 years, like for real, and then it's my birthday on Tuesday. Like honestly, guys, it's crazy. Dictionary ifike ethi ene uSibiya, he was only made to sit down at the municipal offices at Fostoras, not a police station. Kanti Umnisi yena uthi a police station. So yabona ukuthi khona ungezwani. Oh, yes, sometimes. And manje Umnisi laba abanye bambo ngathi incompetent. Like I'm saying, thina South Africans angithi we know the truth. Just as much as it's fine segregation, obviously. I mean, khona bayafila ukuthi bahamba noGinindaba the way intruders in their house, while there's me, for example, ufila ukuthi there's nothing like that. Kodwa utulwana bodwa abantu ababelapha endlini. The person who was in the house is the one that actually just sent akho bantu abaqhamuka ngaphandle. And the Meyiwas need justice, guys. Uma kaSenzo Meyiwa can't be going on like this for so many years. Ubaba khona waze wahambe ekhala. Guys, there must be something that needs to be done before December, to be honest with you. Ngapha uRatha is always trying to win, you know, ukuthi uRatha akafuna ukuhlula ilutho. It's like, listen, I'm good, I'm great, and nizolala nami. uRatha is not a good leader.
A proposition to you that if someone was to say that you are covered with a plastic bag held against your face tightly,
ifuna ukuyithola ukuthi mangithi mina uplastic wawufakwe kanje umshushisi indlela engiunderstand ngayo mayichaza uTolika kuba sengathi uplastic wawufakwe njengesiqoko.
No, there's a proposition that was made, and I'll read it as it is. This is a proposition that was put to Ms. Zandi Khumalo during the proceedings of 20 July 2023 at page 65, lines 15 to 18, says, he was covered with a plastic bag held against his face tightly. The face, the nose, the mouth, the eyes, and laced with pepper spray, tortured for several hours.
I'm surprised why we are going round and round in circles. This proposition was put to the witness before the tea adjournment. And the witness went to great lengths to say, yes, indeed, the plastic was placed over my face tightly, and the particular thing is this thing of laced with tear gas. He says, the reason why in court, in my testimony under oath, 2 times in the main trial, in the trial within the trial, I didn't mention the pepper spray because I wasn't sure what was unparticular was the way in which the plastic smelled, but I couldn't for sure say in my evidence that it was laced with pepper spray. This has been covered, it's been asked and answered now. We are going around to the same proposition, asking him to, it's like Einstein said, you do an experiment, one experiment looking to get different answers. This has been covered.
What we're trying to establish is whether this plastic was tightened. That's all that we're trying to establish.
In addition to that, I think it's not a train smash. Mr. Sibia is requesting the state to clarify the manner in which the plastic was put on his face. Because according to him,
all of us, you know, these propositions are put by Mr. Ramusipidi.
Yes.
That's the point.
yes,
If there was an explanation required, he would have known. They are not put by the defense. I mean, by Baloyi or the doctor.
yes.
The propositions are put by Ramusipidi. And for instance, he says he was assaulted for hours, meaning more than 1 hour.
We're not yet there.
No, we're there because I want to put the proposition as put by Mr. Ramusipidi.
Yes.
That's it. So put it the way you put it. Just read it for us.
But, my lord, the witness does not dispute that. He says the manner in which I understood what is now being put to me, I understand that the plastic was put over my face.
Okay, fine.
Like he has already
Fine.
demonstrated.
So you must say that's how he understands his attorney or his counsel. Fine. No problem.
But is it not this witness, my lord, is he not entitled to understanding the question first?
No, you're right.
The answer is.
But the point is, he is understanding the citation of the words of the attorney. He's not understanding the words of the Mr. Baloyi. That's the
But
point.
this question, my lord, is being asked by the state. The request the state
Quoting
to
the words of Mr. Ramusipidi.
But
We
who's
are
asking the
agreed.
question, madam? It's the state, not so. The state is now asking the question. The witness says, you as an asker of the question, can you please clarify your question before I can respond to it?
But who asked Mr. Baloyi? Who asked that question?
It's Mr. Baloyi.
Let him talk for himself. Who asked that
My
proposition?
Lord, we're quoting the proposition that was
You're
put.
quoting, just repeat it so that everybody
Yes.
can hear.
We're quoting the proposition
Yeah.
that was put by Mr. Ramusipili.
Right.
And this would have been the instruction of accused Mr. Ramusipili. Now we're trying to establish what did he tell Mr.
Okay,
Ramusipili.
fine.
That's
That's how I
precisely
understand you.
the
But,
point.
my lord, just not to belabor this point. What this witness has just asked now, from what my learned colleague is asking, are you asking whether the plastic was put over my face or over my head?
No, fine.
That's
fine.
what he's asking.
Okay, fine. Let him
That's
go
not
on.
the issue here.
Yes, sir.
My Lord, as I say, we're not going to go outside the proposition. All that you want to establish, Mr. Sibia, was the face, was the plastic tightened on your face as it's stated here in the proposition.
Uma uma kuyikuthi inkulumo oyikhulumayo ekhulunywa umshushisi usho ukuthi uplastic wawubanjwe so udonswe so. Yebo uqinisile.
How long did the assault last?
Isikhathi noma ngeke ngize ngibe nolwazi lwaso ngoba iwashi ngangingenalo ngalesa sikhathi mangishawa.
So I won't be able to tell the exact time.
The conclusion of this proposition that I've just quoted to you, it says it lasted several hours.
What is on the record, sir? Just what is on the record?
Well, let's maybe just get the it's July 2023, page 65. This is on the 20th of July, 2023, page 65. And I'll read from about line 10. It says, this Mr. Ramusepeli, now the long and short of it is that he was taken to some place that looks like a municipality office in Tembisa. At that place were all those officers that were present at the first time when he was arrested, were also present there. At that place, he was told that he's going to tell the truth, that they want to hear from him. He was with a plastic bag held against his face tightly, the face, the nose, the mouth, the eyes, and laced with pepper spray, tortured for several hours. So, I don't know if Mr. Ramusepeli is denying what he himself put on record.
Yebo iqiniso.
Yes, it is true.
Mina ngiboshwe ngo-22 to 1 emini. Ngashawa eTembisa.
I was assaulted in Tembisa.
Ngasuka eTembisa ngaye eFosforus.
From Tembisa, I was taken to Phosphorus.
Ngashawa khona.
I was assaulted there.
Ngasuka eFosforus ngaye eDikloof.
From Phosphorus, I was taken to Deep Kloof.
Ngaphinde ngashawa khona.
Again, I was assaulted there.
So ama-hour amaningi vele amaningi ama-hour engashawa wona up until ngize ngiyolaliswa eVeralis. Isikhathi safika angafika ngaseVeralis angisazi ukuthi kwakubani isikhathi. Kodwa ukuboshwa kwami aboshwa emini yoshawa 1.
So those indeed were several hours, or I was assaulted for many hours, and thereafter I was then taken to Valeria. I don't know what time it was when I was taken or when I arrived in Valeria, but I was arrested around 1 during the day.
No, we're talking about the assault there at Lethabong. How long did it last?
This proposition that the States is now putting, from the reading of the record, does not speak about only the assault at Lethabong. It speaks about torture. It's not specific about where did it occur.
Well, when we started at line 10, it says now the long and short of it is that he was taken to some place that looks like a municipality office in Tembisa. At that place, and then follows the rest, Mama. But we really not going to press. Yes, at that place.
Specific.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Now, did you sustain any injuries as a result of this assault there at Lethabong?
Ngenxa ke yaloku akushaya lokho ukushaywa kwakho laphana ke eLithabong ingaba walimala yini lokulimala ke owakuthola ngenxa yaloku akushaya lokuyana?
Yeah.
Yes.
What type of injuries?
Ukulimala kanjani walimala kanjani?
Ngalimala amalokhu ama-handcuff angilimaza ezandleni nomzimba wawubuhlungu.
I had injuries as a result of the handcuffs on my hands, as well as my body was sore.
Noma ungabonakali kodwa ngangilimele.
Although it was not visible injuries, but I was injured.
Njengoba nangalala ngiwabonisile ama-handcuff.
And you say the people who were kicking you were, what were they wearing? The people who were kicking you?
Babegqoka amateki abanye ne-private ababegqokile impahla zabo abanye begqoka uniform yamaphoyisa namaguzu abo.
And you testify that they were taking turns in kicking you?
Yeah.
That's correct.
And you say you didn't sustain any visible injuries except for the sore.
Objection, he did not say that. He said, I sustained wrist injuries and even showed them here at court. Now the state says you said you did not sustain visible injuries. Yes.
Just read that evidence about injuries. No, it's supposed to be recorded there.
Is the court asking about the
I heard the answer.
the response of the
What was the response?
well,
That he didn't sustain any visible injuries. That I heard.
yes, and he said,
If you want to play the machine so that we can talk about something we all know about. Hello, can you play the machine?
It says, so you are saying you did not sustain any visible injuries. That's where my objection is. This witness says, I was kicked all over the body, although there were not visible injuries, but
Also,
I had pains.
Yeah, that's what I
However,
did.
on the wrist,
Fine. As long
I
as
sustained injuries. that
no
I
problem.
showed to the court.
As long as we all agree that he did say visible injuries, no problem.
No, but my lord, we should not be selective in terms of what is saying.
I'm not selective. You are arguing about visible. That's why I say I hate, and I said I hate visible. Although my body was sore, I did not sustain any visible injuries.
He also make mention
That's what I hate.
about the wrist, my lord, and the court does not.
No, the wrist, I hate the wrist. He says the wrist, as he demonstrated, it was flowing blood. Is that not so?
Okay, no.
I listen.
You know, we're on the same page.
I listen. I don't just sit here
The state to say
and
that
people
this
talk and I
witness
don't listen. I listen to all the evidence, all of it.
We appreciate it, man.
Yes.
But now the question from the state says, now you are saying you did not sustain any visible injuries.
Okay, let's go on.
Thank you, man.